Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Makeover, that evil girl that keeps winning every day. I'm back with another beautiful tutorial for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. For transition, I'll be using this beautiful purple shade for my transition. And I'll make sure I blend properly so I wouldn't have any harsh lines. When cutting the crease, I try to cut a little bit above the crease region. That's just my top secret. I cut a little bit above the crease. I don't cut it exactly at the crease, a little bit above the crease. So I get a very flawless cut crease. Then I make sure I blend very well with my hand to remove excess wetness from the base, eyeshadow base. I don't like having a very damp eyeshadow base, so I make sure I blend very well with my hands. Next, I'm just packing this peach shade to my eyelids. I'm making sure it blends. Next, I'll be going into my glitter liner. I'll be putting these beautiful golden glitters at the top of the crease. come to the end of this tutorial, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So tell me, where would you like to rock this makeup to? Would you like to rock this makeup to the church? Would you like to rock it to the club? Would you like to rock it to the school? Would you like to rock it to see grandma? Grandma shaku do 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 do, grandma shaku do 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 do, grandma shaku do 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 do, grandma shak. Ha! Bye, guys.